Imagine stepping onto your patio, feeling the warmth of the sun on your face, and plucking a ripe, juicy peach from your very own tree. The satisfaction of harvesting fruit that you've nurtured yourself is unparalleled. Growing fruit trees in containers makes this dream possible, even if you have limited space. You can cultivate a variety of fruits from apples to lemons, right on your patio or balcony. Container gardening is perfect for small gardens, balconies, or even sunny indoor spaces. It allows you to transform any area into a lush, green oasis. It's a rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homegrown fruit without needing a large yard. Imagine the joy of picking a bowl of fresh fruit for breakfast, knowing it came from your own efforts. Plus, container fruit trees offer flexibility. You can rearrange them to suit your space and aesthetic preferences. You can move them around to follow the sun or protect them from harsh weather. This adaptability ensures your plants thrive in various conditions. You can also control the soil quality more easily than in the ground. This means you can provide the perfect nutrients and conditions for your trees to flourish. This ensures your trees have the best possible growing conditions. Healthy, vibrant plants are the result of your careful attention and care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, container fruit trees are a fantastic way to add beauty and bounty to your home. They bring a touch of nature's magic to your living space, enriching your life with their presence. The first step to success is choosing the right container for your fruit tree. Size matters. Start with a pot that's large enough to accommodate your tree's roots as it grows. A good rule of thumb is to choose a container that's twice the width of the root ball. Material is also important. Terracotta pots are beautiful and breathable but can dry out quickly. Plastic pots are lightweight and retain moisture well. Consider your climate and watering habits when making your choice. Make sure your chosen container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Good drainage is crucial for healthy root development. Not all fruit trees are created equal when it comes to container gardening. Some varieties are naturally smaller and well-suited to pot culture. Look for dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties of fruit trees. These trees are bred to stay compact without sacrificing fruit production. Popular choices include dwarf citrus trees such as lemons and limes, which thrive in containers. You can also find dwarf apple, peach, and cherry trees that are perfect for pots. When selecting your tree, look for healthy specimens with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Soil preparation is the foundation of success for your container fruit tree. Without the right soil, even the best care won't yield the desired results. The soil you use is crucial for the health and productivity of your plant. It provides the necessary nutrients and support for root development. Be sure to use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. These mixes are formulated to retain moisture while providing excellent drainage. Avoid using garden soil, as it can become compacted in a pot and hinder drainage. Compacted soil restricts root growth and can lead to poor plant health. Good potting mix is light, airy, and rich in nutrients. This ensures that roots can easily spread and access the nutrients they need. You can further enhance your potting mix by adding amendments like compost or aged manure. These organic materials improve soil fertility and structure. These amendments provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. They also help retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Moisten the potting mix before filling the container. This step ensures that the mix is evenly hydrated and ready to support your plant. This will help to prevent air pockets from forming around the roots. Air pockets can cause root desiccation and hinder the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Planting your tree is an exciting part of the process. It's the beginning of a journey that will bring you joy and fresh produce. Gently remove the tree from its nursery pot, taking care not to damage the roots. This step is crucial to ensure the tree's healthy growth. If the roots are circling tightly, use your fingers to loosen them before planting. This helps the roots to spread out and establish better in the new soil. Position the tree in the center of the container, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the rim of the pot. This positioning is key for proper growth and stability. Fill the space around the roots with the prepared potting mix. Make sure to use a high-quality mix to provide the necessary nutrients. Gently firm the soil around the base of the tree to secure it in place. This helps to anchor the tree and support its growth. Water the tree thoroughly after planting. Adequate watering is essential to help the tree settle into its new home. This will help to settle the soil and eliminate any air pockets. Ensuring there are no air pockets is vital for the tree's root health and overall stability. Once your fruit tree is planted, it needs proper care to thrive. Place the container in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis and fruit production. Water your tree regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Stick your finger into the soil to gauge moisture levels. Fertilize your fruit tree regularly during the growing season. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for fruit trees. Follow the package instructions for application rates.